Mistakes happen, and there may be times when you wind up with duplicate customers or vendors saved in your Striven system. Rather than having unnecessary records cluttering up your customer and vendor lists, or losing any data by deleting one, you can use Striven's Merge Customer Vendor option to combine the duplicate records and save important financial transactions and customer vendor information in one record. In this video, we're going to explain and demonstrate how to perform a customer vendor merge in Striven. Before getting started, you will need to ensure your user role includes the Merge Customer Vendor permission to perform this action. Okay, so this video will review the steps for merging customers in Striven, but let's start with some important things to consider before you start the merging process. For instance, it is typically recommended that you merge from the newer customer record to the older record, unless there's a payment profile attached to one of the records. In that case, you should merge into the record with the payment profile. If both records have a payment profile, merge into the record with the most activity. If you're unsure whether or not an account has a payment profile, a warning message will pop up when attempting to merge the customers to indicate that the account you are merging from has a payment profile established. If this occurs, you can cancel the merge before completion to switch the merge to the record with the payment profile. The following is information that will be included in the merge: locations, tasks, opportunities, projects, AR and AP transactions, journal entries, sales orders, purchase orders, contacts, and assets. Some of the information that will not be included in the merge includes customer dashboard widget information, such as contact info widget data or custom field information. We'll discuss this further when going through the steps. Payment profiles. This is extremely important if your customer has an autopay payment active. And appointments. If you have any appointments scheduled with a contact from the From record, it will not merge the appointment info to the To record or show on the Upcoming Appointments widget on the dashboard. Now that we've taken all that information into consideration, we can begin the merge. Step 1. Make note of the customer account ID of both records you are merging. So for our example, you can see I have two customer records for Just Another Coffee Shop, which we'll be merging into one. In order to keep track of which record is the To record and which is the From, we'll pay close attention to the customer account ID number. Now, neither of these sample records has a payment profile, as my demo system does not have that capability. But here is the location in Striven where you would check to see if either of the records has a payment profile established. As noted earlier, it is recommended that you merge to the record with an established payment profile, if applicable. In this demonstration, we'll be merging customer number 41, Just Another Coffee Shop, where you can see it has a primary contact set to Justin, into number 42, Just Another Coffee Shop, which has the primary contact set as Amanda. Step 2. It is recommended that you keep tabs open for both companies' dashboards to refer to for data that does not merge. We're going to enter any information from the dashboard widgets of the From record to the dashboard widgets in the To record that will not be included in the merge. Most of the information found in the dashboard widgets does not carry over during the merge, such as the custom fields data, which in this example is the email subscription, financial widget info, contact info widget data, and the other widget data, as well as assignments, referral info, and primary contact. The contact will be associated to the To record, but will not be marked primary after the merge. Locations are saved in the To record as additional locations, but does not designate any location as primary and does not change the primary if it is already set in the To record. Here you'll see customer number 41 has a variety of information saved in the dashboard widgets, while customer number 42 does not. Most of this information will need to be entered manually to the record we're merging into, which is number 42 in this case. Before I complete this merge, I will copy over any widget settings and information. Step 3. Click the Actions menu located in the top left corner of the screen on the customer record you intend on merging from. For our demonstration, we will click on the Actions menu on number 41 to merge from number 41 to number 42. Step 4. Click Merge Customer Vendor. This will display the Merge Customer Vendor page, wherein you will confirm the source record and select the destination record. The source record will be the from record. The destination record will be the to record. Both sides will display the type, status, customer since date, contact, and currency of the selected record for reference. So we're starting the merge from number 41, so that should be the record listed for source. For destination, we want to select our to record, which is number 42. By typing the number 42 into the destination field, the corresponding record will populate for selection. Step 5. Click Next to proceed with the merge. This will display a list of all the information that will be moved from the source record to the destination record. As you can see here, all of this information will be merged from record number 41 to record number 42. Step 6. Once you have confirmed the data from the list is accurate, click the Merge button to complete the process. We're ready to proceed, so here we go. Now, once the Merge button is clicked and the merge is complete, the To Records dashboard will display with all the combined information that was transferred during the merge process. You'll also note that none of the primary designations were modified or added with the merge. The From record doesn't completely disappear, but it is marked as deleted in your system and can be viewed if you search for it using the Deleted Status filter on the Customer List search. So back to our example. You can see number 42 is the merged record and contains all of the data that was carried over, such as the accounts receivable data, invoices, sales orders, tasks, etc. And you can see that Amanda is still designated as the primary contact. Since this is something that would not be changed with the merge, we could manually change this designation to Justin if we wanted. Meanwhile, the record for number 41 now has a deleted status and no longer has a primary contact set. The process is pretty straightforward and easy, but you have to make sure you're merging from and to the correct record so that there's no loss of important details or data. This feature will ensure your customer and vendor records are accurate and complete, while helping to keep your Striven system neat and organized. If you have any questions regarding the customer and vendor merge feature, please reach out to the Striven support team for assistance. Happy merging!